Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem not launching on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam up, you're going to right click on Resident Evil Requiem and then you're going to click on to manage. You're going to go into browse local files here, or you're going to go to Resident Evil Requiem's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Resident Evil Requiem here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Resident Evil Requiem, you're going to go into properties, you're going to go into compatibility, and then you're going to click on to run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam up, you're going to right click on Resident Evil Requiem again, you're going to go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of game files on Resident Evil Requiem. Once that's done, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to your Resident Evil Requiem games folder, click RV9 here, and then click add. Now you're going to find the RV9exe in this list. Click onto GPU preference and set it to high performance. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer now. Once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Resident Evil 9, you will see that your game will now launch. You will not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.